birthday to Motep. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. You want to eat it? Alright, so you gotta cut the cake with your sister. You're eating it? You like it? Big boy. You gotta eat all of them? Alright, high five. Alright. One. After three, we're gonna cut. 2, 3. Cut. Ready? No,
The other way. Yes.
No.
But no.
Cut. Yeah. Good job. Hey. Give it back clap.
Oi. Let it go share.
Good job. Yeah. You want a cake? Next year it's a birthday. You gotta have a cake. Well, just enjoy the cake.
Well, that birthday general. Man, tell them man.
Big boy.
With the S for the CES chess. Oi. What are you doing? It's Shyah. I think from the Don't do that. Who does that? Your mother. Para. Yeah.
Marlon, my mom talks to you. Oh yeah, I.
Ah, yeah.
Want juice? This one?
So man, I wait till him done eat half cake and drink and everything before we eat now.
That's so dope.
The mother they are eating it.
Don't do that. Boy, I don't eat. Don't eat. Eat. What are you doing? What's wrong with you?
Yes.
My dog.